Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and who doesn't love the feel and look of a spa? I know that was something that I really wanted for this area of my laundry room. When I saw these bamboo wood panels from EYAYEN, I knew that they would be perfect, and I absolutely love the upgrade. These were incredibly well packaged. In fact, they even had bubble tape around the ends to make sure that they do not arrive damaged in transit. We applied these over plywood on the wall with a brads in our nail gun, and that worked really well. With our laundry setup, we have hoses that go outside the building, and so we did have to drill through this bamboo panel. There was no damage beyond the hole itself, so that made me really happy. This is really flexible, so even though we just chose to use it on our wall, this would go around pillars or columns or anything that has a corner really easily. I got the raw color because I didn't want a lot of shine or finish on this, and it just came out beautifully. Every time I look at this wall, I feel calm and relaxed, and I just love it, and that's my point of view.